Hey guys, this is Lichkick and today we'll be playing some Monkey City. Why do you always lag like this? Lagtastic. Yes, I've done a lot of videos because all the very last one was good, but it was just so flipping laggy. Oh, lag. Oh. Why are you so lag? Why are you so lag? Sound off. Let's get the music. Actually, keep the music. Get rid of the sound. The sound. There. Yes, I'm very annoyed. It's very laggy. Just move. Move. No. I don't want to go over there. Why are you lagging? Stop lagging. Just stop lagging, please. I just want a normal thing. You know what? It's so laggy. Why is it so laggy? Last one was the other day. They weren't laggy. They were completely. They had a bit of lag. But they were just completely fine. Over this. Let's just give up.